we're gonna do right now is we're gonna review the Rebel Rose palette. I'm just gonna get started really quick because I have somewhere to be right now. So I'm just gonna get started really quick, and then I'll do check-ins throughout the day and let y'all know what I think about the products in here. All right, the first thing we're going to go over is this rose toner. We're gonna try this out really quick. My skin's very, oh. If you do not like the smell of rose, you're not gonna like this because this is very strong. It's definitely very strong rose scent. Feels good. Okay. And now the next thing in here is some rose oil, multi-use oil. This is so cute. Look, there's little roses in this bottle. So pretty. Guess we'll just drop this. I'm not gonna put anything on my forehead because I don't want any of this oils to get on my lashes, because oil and eyelash extensions don't mix. Again, very strong scent of rose, and if you do not like rose, this collection is not for you because it's strong. It's very strong. Okay, the next thing I have here is the rose primer. Really pretty. And I didn't mention, all of these bottles are glass, so they feel nice. So Wet n Wild, stepping up. Put it right here in my oily spots because my face is weird and I'm just super oily right here in the T-zone and dry everywhere else because my skin doesn't like to make sense. Okay. It came with the lip balm and a lip scrub, but I tried those already, and again, very strong scent of rose. I really like the little, let me just show you, the little lipstick. It's clear. It's one of those like color change lip glosses. You put it on and it turns pink. So this one's cute and it feels really good and glossy on your lips. I was using this yesterday. And the lip scrub I used yesterday as well, and I'm not gonna, or actually I used it this morning. Yeah, I used it this morning and I'm not gonna do it again because my lips are mad at me right now. Okay, let's get into the makeup. Actually, I'm gonna do my foundation and everything really quick off camera, and when I come back, we'll put on some eyeshadow and play with the blush and whatever else is in here. Okay, I'm back. I have my foundation on, I have primer on my eyelids, and we're gonna play with some makeup. Um, this, wait. Okay. It comes with 3 different little quads. Which one do I want to use? Well, I wanted to do like a simple look today, but all these are very dark. I actually think I like this one. We're gonna go in with Bed of Roses and we're just gonna see what happens here. I'm gonna use this little pretty brush that it came with. It looks like a little rose. Soft. Okay, this brush, the little plastic parts right here are like poking the crap out of my eye. So don't push down hard if you want this brush. Okay, so all I did was use these 2 berry shades, and I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm not gonna do like a crazy intense eye look today because I need to get out of here. Like, I don't have time to. I don't have time to play with makeup today. And I need to blend that out because it looks crazy. But moving on, I'm gonna try the blush here with this big, beautiful rose blush brush. This blush is also very interesting. It's black. And it's supposed to be like a color transformation blush kind of thing. So let's see. Well, I don't know about this. It has like sparkles in it. Oh, that's nice. Very nice subtle pink. This is nice. I can do this. Okay, and there's different little, let me pull out the lips really quick. There's 4 little lips that came with this set. This is a limited edition set. I don't know if I've said that already. This is a limited edition set from Wet n Wild. And these are the 4 lipstick shades it comes in. I think we're gonna try Bad Romance. Okay, in person it looks very, very, very purple, but I don't think it's picking up on the camera as purple as it is. So I'm going to go in with Petal Poison. It's like a pinky, the pinky color, and let's see what happens with that. Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, we're just gonna try Petal Poison by itself and see what that looks like. Okay, I think I still have purple on the wand because it's still coming out. Purple. It's not too bad. So this is the completed look. I'm going to check in throughout the day and let y'all know how my skin is feeling with the serums and everything under the skin, and how the Fat Primer is helping my foundation. And we'll also review like how long the eyeshadow is lasting throughout the day, and my lips. We'll see how long these last. I have a feeling they're not going to last that long, just because any kind of like glossy anything on my lips doesn't last long. I should probably try the matte lip, but it's kind of dark. Now, we'll leave this one on for now, and we'll see how it goes. And I will let y'all know. Hey guys, so it's already 5:53. I've had my makeup on for, let's see, a good 5 hours already. My eyeshadow still looks decent. The primer is pretty good. Usually by this time my foundation's kind of breaking up around my nose, and it's not that bad right now. The eyeshadow is, I don't know if you can see, but it's looking a little patchy, but it's overall still good. Like, I actually had several compliments on my eyes, and I was like, oh, thanks. So but my lips are gone. Like, I knew that was gonna happen. My lipstick is off. I think that only lasted about an hour and a half. Then I went to have like a late or a lunch with some of my family members, and it came all off. But that was to be expected. That was not a surprise at all. But overall, like, I think it's good. It's a good quality for the price. Like, it's not awful. Like, the eyeshadow's blended out fine. I didn't blend my eyeshadow out that great, but you know, you live and you learn. So overall, I think that this is pretty decent. I would recommend it. If you want to try it out, go for it. The face products, like I said, are very very rose scented. So if you do not like rose scent, do not get it because it is very strong. And even under my foundation, like I can still kind of smell it. It's not overwhelming like it was when you first put it on. It was like bam, rose, but it's still kind of there. I do like the toner. Like I've already used it twice. And I think it's totally worth it. If you like rose smell. I know a lot of people do not, and a lot of people do. So that's your preference. Definitely, if you don't mind the rose scent, you can try those face products while they are out right now because they're still limited edition, like I said. The lipsticks, I really, the lip glosses are really cute, comfy, not drying out at all. I tried the matte lipsticks last night, and I really did enjoy them. The matte lipsticks, I don't know if it's a different formula or not, but before I think I had tried like 2 lipsticks from the Mermaid collection a couple of years ago, and they were super dry. Like I did not like them at all. They came out patchy, and it just was not a good situation. But these, I don't know what was different about these. It lasted through dinner. We watched a movie after, and it looked good all night. So I definitely would recommend the matte liquid lipsticks, the matte liquid lipsticks. Those are good. The blush is super cute. I like the color change. It's fun. It's something different, a little gimmicky, but it works. It works. I give the collection a thumbs up. And if y'all like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.